Hey guys.
Okay, got him on.
Okay, hold on, guys. Please stay tuned. Okay, you ready? Go. Hi.
Hi.
So, what are you doing today? I'm kind of in a good mood today, actually.
Cool. Did you know I put my tinfoil in the microwave?
You did what?
Go to your work, okay?
I just put my Pop-Tart wrapper in there. In the microwave again.
Huh? Huh?
I put my Pop-Tart wrapper again. Tinfoil. You did what? I just put acid in the microwave.
Huh?
Oh, I hope tinfoil won't hurt the microwave again. Oh, I really hope that the Pop-Tart wrapper won't the Pop-Tart wrapper won't hurt the microwave. What are you doing? Okay, I put a Pop-Tart wrapper in there. Okay, hold on. I'm just putting my Pop-Tart wrapper.
No Pop-Tart wrappers.
I put the tinfoil in there already. I put my Pop-Tart wrapper and tinfoil in there.
Go subscribe now to Coolman736. Done.